Hello students, this is the question from 10th class real numbers exercise 1.3. Given rational number 3 by 8 is there, is that write that 3 by 8 in the form of decimal and state if that number is terminating or non-terminating. So this number we should write in decimal form and we have to say is that terminating number or non-terminating number. So we will do first 3 by 8. So we should divide 3 with 8. 0 point I am taking 3 0. 8 3s are 8 3 times 6 0 we can take 8 7s are 56 again 4 again we can take point 8 5s are 40. When we get a remainder is the 0, then that number is terminated. So decimal form of 3 by 8 is 0.375. This is the decimal form. So up to here it stopped. So 3 by 8 is the terminating decimal. It is a terminating decimal. So we can also write this denominator 3 by 8. Denominator of 3 by 8 we can write 2 to the power of 3. 2 to the power of 3. So means we can write if we write a denominator in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. So that is also terminating, but actually this process we will use in next bit. That we cannot use in this bit. Next bit we can use. Here denominator is in the form of 2 power n. So 3 by 8 is terminating. 3 by 8 is terminating. Here up to here our answer, not here. Up to here is our answer, but this is useful for next bit. Okay. Next question, 229 by 4 in 400. Write the rational number in the form of decimal and state whether it is terminating or non-terminating. So I will do here denominator 229 dividing with 400. 229 is less than 400. So I am taking point 4 5 times 2000 092. For point I am taking one more 0. 4 7s are 28. So 2 zeros 0 0 1. For point I can take one more 0. 4 2s are 8. 800 0 0. 10 minus 8 is 2. 200 we got 200. For point one more 0 I am taking 4 5 times 4 5s are 20. Okay, 2 zeros 0 0. We got a remainder is 0. When remainder is 0, that is terminating. First point, what is our answer? This we should write in decimal form, that is 0.5725. So it stopped up to 5. So we can write 229 by 400 is terminating terminating decimal. Okay, 229 by 400 is terminating decimal. Write a given question in the form of decimal and state whether it is a terminating decimal or non-terminating decimal. This is question number 3. So this is in mixed fraction. I am writing 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 1 is 21 by 5. I am writing. Okay. I am dividing 21 with 5. 5 4 times 21 is remainder. Point I am taking 0, 10. 5 2 times 10. Here 0. 4.2 up to 4.2 we got a 0 remainder. So here decimal form of 4 1 by 5 is 4.2. Here 4 1 by 2 is terminating decimal. Okay, terminating decimal. One more question here, fourth question. 2 by 11, it is terminating or not, we should check. Okay, dividing 2 with 11, 2 with 11. Point I am taking 20, 11 one time 11. So 9 is remainder. For point I am taking one more 0. 11 8s are 88. 90 minus 88 is 2. So for point I am taking one more time 0. 11 one time 11. So again I am getting 9. So I am taking 0. 11 8s are 88. So 2. I am taking 0. Next 11 one time 11. 9 I am getting. Again 90. 11 8s are 88. 2 again I am getting. Here observe here 1 8 1 8 1 8 is repeating. So the decimal form of 2 by 11 is 0.18 bar. Okay, so we can write a 2 by 11 is the non-terminating and repeating. Non-terminating, it cannot stop and it is repeating. So I am writing 2 by 11 is the non-terminating repeating decimal. Okay, decimal form is 0.18 and it is repeating. So it is the 2 by 11 is the non-terminating repeating decimal. That is the answer. Last question from same bit. 8 by 125. Write 8 by 125 rational number in the form of decimal and state whether it is terminating or non-terminating. So to solve this, I am going to divide. So 0 point I am taking 80. Still 80 is less than 125. So I am taking 0 here 800. So 125 how many times 800? Less than 800 we can take. So 125 2 times is 250. 2 times 250. 4 times 500. 500. 6 times 750. 125 6 times 750. 0. 10 minus 5 is 5. Next 7 minus 7 is 0. I am taking one more point, one more 0. 125 2 times 250, 4 times 500. 4 times 500. I got a remainder is 0. When remainder is 0, we can stop. So the decimal form of 8 by 125 is 0.064. 0.064. So here we can write 8 by 125 is the terminating decimal. Okay, terminating decimal. In next bit we are going to do like this process. In 8 by 125, we should write 125 in the power of 2 power or 5 power. 125 we can write 5 power 3. Okay, 5 5s are 25, 25 5 times 125. So therefore here we can write denominator is in the form of 5 power m. Denominator is in the form of 2 power n and 5 power m, or 2 power m and 5 power n. If 2 are there or any one there, so that is terminating decimal. Directly we can say when here it is in the form of 5 power m. It is in the form of 5 and some power, 5 power m. So it is a terminating. It is a terminating decimal. Okay, this process we are going to do in next bit. Okay.